This is not just a motorhome, this is a rolling mansion engineered by Ford to completely redefine luxury travel. The 2026 Ford Concept Mansion Motorhome isn't about getting from point A to point B, it's about turning every mile into a 5-star experience, where power, technology, and opulence collide in a way that feels almost unreal. At first glance, the exterior hits with presence. Massive proportions, sharp architectural lines, and a stance that feels closer to a futuristic luxury yacht than a traditional RV. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic intent, but nothing about it feels soft. It's bold, squared, and commanding, with an illuminated front fascia that glows like a signature. The full-width LED lighting stretches across the nose, paired with an aggressive grille design that instantly tells you this isn't just another concept, it's a statement. Every panel feels deliberate, every angle designed to maximize both efficiency and visual dominance. Then you notice the scale. This thing doesn't just sit on the road, it owns it. High ground clearance, reinforced wheel arches, and massive multi-terrain tires suggest it's ready to leave the highway behind whenever you want. And that's where the concept starts to shift from luxury to something far more versatile. Because underneath all that elegance is serious capability. Powering this machine is a next-generation hybrid system, rumored to combine a high-output twin-turbo engine with advanced electric motors. The result is not just efficiency, it's effortless torque. You're looking at a motorhome that can climb, tow, and cruise with the kind of confidence usually reserved for heavy-duty trucks. Instant electric torque for smooth acceleration, paired with long-range capability that makes cross-country journeys feel seamless. And when silence matters, it can glide in near-electric mode, turning remote destinations into peaceful escapes rather than noise. But the real transformation begins the moment it stops. With a single command, the mansion motorhome expands. Side panels glide outward, extending the living space dramatically. The roof elevates slightly, creating higher ceilings and a more open atmosphere. What was already large becomes enormous. This isn't an RV interior, it's a penthouse that unfolds in front of you. Step inside, and the first impression is space. Not just physical space, but visual calm. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the cabin with natural light. Soft ambient lighting traces the edges of the interior, highlighting textures and materials that feel more like a luxury hotel than a vehicle. Real wood, brushed metal, and premium leather blend together with precision. Every surface you touch feels intentional, refined, and expensive. The main lounge area becomes the centerpiece. A fully modular seating arrangement allows you to transform the space depending on the moment. Lounge mode for relaxation, dining mode for hosting, or even a cinematic setup where a massive hidden display emerges from the wall. The seats aren't just comfortable, they're engineered for long-duration comfort, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions integrated seamlessly. And then there's the kitchen. Not an afterthought, not a compact compromise, but a full chef-grade setup. Induction cooking surfaces, a built-in smart refrigerator, and concealed storage that opens with touch-sensitive panels. Even the countertops feel elevated, crafted from durable stone composites that combine luxury with practicality. It's designed so you can cook anywhere in the world without sacrificing quality. Move further in, and the bedroom changes the tone completely. It's quieter, more intimate, designed for rest. A full-size bed sits centered, surrounded by soft lighting and acoustic insulation that isolates you from the outside world. Integrated wardrobes slide open silently, revealing organized storage that feels more like a luxury apartment than a mobile setup. And just when you think it can't get more refined, the bathroom proves otherwise. The bathroom inside this concept motorhome feels like something pulled from a high-end spa. A full glass-enclosed shower, a sleek vanity with backlit mirrors, and smart water management systems that maximize efficiency without compromising comfort. Even the fixtures feel premium, with metallic finishes that reflect the ambient lighting in subtle, elegant ways. But what truly sets this apart is the technology layered into every inch of the experience. A central AI-driven control system manages everything, from lighting and climate to security and entertainment. You don't press buttons, you simply speak, and the environment adapts. Want a warmer atmosphere? The lighting shifts, the temperature adjusts, and the windows tint automatically. Planning to sleep? The system dims the cabin, lowers the noise levels, and transitions everything into a nighttime setting. And here's where it gets even more interesting, the mansion motorhome is designed to be completely self-sufficient for extended periods. Integrated solar panels stretch across the roof, feeding into advanced battery storage systems that power the entire vehicle. Water recycling systems reduce waste, while smart energy management ensures you're never left without essential resources. This isn't just luxury, it's independent. Connectivity is another level entirely. High-speed satellite internet keeps you online no matter where you are. Multiple displays throughout the cabin allow for work, entertainment, or real-time navigation. You could be parked in the middle of nowhere and still run a business, stream content, or control the entire vehicle ecosystem from a tablet. And then comes the outdoor experience, because this motorhome doesn't just transform inside. With another command, an exterior lounge deploys. A retractable deck extends outward, complete with integrated seating and subtle lighting. An awning glides into position, creating shade and protection, while external speakers deliver immersive sound. It turns any location into a private retreat, whether you're parked by a mountain range or overlooking the ocean. Now imagine this: night falls, the ambient lighting outside glows softly, the interior transforms into a warm, inviting space, and the entire vehicle becomes a sanctuary. That's the kind of experience this concept is built around, not just movement, but atmosphere. But luxury means nothing without real-world usability, and this is where Ford pushes the concept even further. Despite its size, advanced driver assistance systems make it surprisingly manageable. Semi-autonomous driving capabilities reduce fatigue on long journeys. Adaptive suspension systems adjust in real time, smoothing out rough terrain and keeping the ride stable. Parking assistance, 360-degree cameras, and precision sensors ensure that even tight spaces feel manageable. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Reinforced structural elements, intelligent collision avoidance systems, and advanced braking technology work together to protect both the vehicle and its occupants. It's engineered not